Storm Shield forecast, only on Fox 47 News.
Justin, we saw a few showers here in mid-Michigan today. Can we expect any more overnight?
Well, we have a few more wrapping up right now in the Lansing area, Nicole, and you can see East Lansing still certainly dealing with some of that. If you can't see the raindrops on the camera behind me there, you can probably more than likely see the wet pavement out there and some ponding occurring on roadways. The temperature's fallen quite a bit since our highs today, by about 20 degrees or so. We're currently at 36. Here's where those highs were at today. 56 for Lansing and for Jackson. Owasso had the same reading, and so did Mason. Marshall got to almost 60. We did have a few 60s towards the state line. Adrian was at 62 and a few 61s for Coldwater and Hillsdale. Now the temps, as I mentioned, now, those 60s and upper mid-50s are an afterthought from the temps, at least as far as where they stand this evening. 38 in Lansing, 38 for Charlotte, 35 degrees right now in Jackson. It's 36 degrees in Marshall. So definitely much cooler, especially compared to yesterday. You're seeing temperatures anywhere from 7 to 10 degrees cooler. In Coldwater, 13 cooler than it was this time yesterday. We can thank the flow of the wind for that. It's out of the north, and it's been pumping throughout most of the afternoon and into this evening as well. It's calmed down quite a bit from where it was earlier, but still, again, providing some of the cooler air into the region. And some of that cool air sliding underneath some of the rain, trying to get a few snowflakes to mix in with a few of these rain showers this evening. But for the most part, anything that is mixing in, getting kind of washed out by the rain that is falling. And I should note that right now through Lansing, as you can see it continuing to rotate out of the area here, is very, very light, only going to continue on for about another hour or so before it leaves Lansing. Now Jackson had this light rain for maybe another 2-3 hours before it finally moves out. And as we back out, you can see that off in the distance, although we have no precipitation occurring, we are going to see the clouds continue to stick around at least through the first half of the day tomorrow. That northwest wind continues to blow through. That'll still allow a few of these snowflakes to mix in. You can see that here in future track. But again, nothing going to stick out there, certainly. By the time we hit our Monday morning, I think all of us are dry. It's just going to be an overcast start to the day. And as we get into the afternoon, eventually cloud cover starts to diminish by about 3-4 o'clock. And as we head into the evening, we even have some sunshine before a few more clouds roll back in Monday. Could have a real light shower overnight or two as well. Certainly can't be ruled out, but not going to be that big a deal either way. Now 31's the overnight low for tonight. Showers will be wrapping up, and otherwise mostly cloudy overnight period. You should note again that northwest wind, that's going to be persistent into tomorrow as well. So we'll check out that planner for Monday. It's unfortunately going to be taking another step backwards, even from temperatures by today's standards. I don't think we get to 50 degrees tomorrow, although we get the late day sunshine. I think we're going to have that northwest breeze as well as that early cloud cover to thank for the fact that we fall shy of 50 once again. But the good news is that I think this might be the last time that this happens for quite some time. We'll keep our fingers crossed on that one. 49 degrees, that's going to be the temp for tomorrow. Again, the decrease in clouds, but another chilly day. And it is going to be, as I mentioned, though, one of the last ones. So you just have to push through that. We're a little bit warmer as we head into Tuesday. You can see that here in our 7-day forecast. Now, mostly sunny skies for Tuesday as well at 53. Wednesday, just a few more clouds, but we're at least up to 60. So you see we're trending in the right direction, of course. Showers are possible as we head into Thursday. In fact, they're likely, especially later in the day. But at least we have mid-60s temps. Now, next weekend, this is the one I want to highlight. So I'm sorry about the Mother's Day forecast for today. Unfortunately, all the rain, the cooler temps that we've been seeing as of late. But we've got mid or low, I should say, possibly mid-70s by next weekend. We'll have to see how that forecast works itself out over the next couple days, of course. We could have a few showers on Friday, maybe some scattered storms on Sunday. But overall, nothing is going to be a washout by next weekend, at least not looking like it right now. Saturday looks like a dry day in the middle there at the very least. And we've got some very comfortable temperatures, Nicole, especially compared to the temps as of late. This is going to be a very welcome change, I think, heading into mid-May in mid-Michigan.
You